Namaskar, welcome back to my class. In today's class, we will learn a new Lari using the jatis that we have learned earlier. If you are new to my channel, you can check the playlist of Lari and Jati. In this Lari, the first Vistar is Nadandinna for 6 times and Taka Takite Dhekete for once. In Nadandinna, in every Vistar, we will use this footwork, flat brush, hill brush, or flat brush, flat brush. You can also use flat brush if you think so, if you are comfortable with that. So flat brush, flat brush. I will stick to the second one, flat brush, flat brush, flat brush, flat brush. Notice that when I am doing this footwork, I am putting my left leg in front of right in a diagonal position. So first do that and start your footwork. Always start your footwork with your right feet. So flat brush, flat brush, flat brush, flat brush. Na din din na. After that comes taka takite dhekete. We have already learned about taka takite dhekete in previous Lari. So the same thing, you can use flat hill, takite dhekete. In taka you can use taka, flat hill, or flat. Okay, you have two options. So either you can do taka takite dhekete or you can do taka takite dhekete. Okay, in takite dhekete, flat hill, flat hill. Now moving on to the next vistar. In next vistar, we will do the nadandinna for 4 times, and as we are decreasing the number of nadandinna for 4 times, we are increasing number of taka takite dhekete. So in second vistar, we will do taka takite dhekete for 2 times, as we have to complete a full avartan in every vistar. So following this pattern, in third vistar, we will do nadandinna for 2 times and taka takite dhekete for thrice. Now number 4, taka takite dhekete for 8 times and nadandinna for 16 times. If you are counting the vistar using the Parhan style, so you can see that taka takite dhekete, if you are doing taka takite dhekete for 8 times, it will complete a whole avartan. Similarly, nadandinna, if you are doing 16 nadandinna, it will complete a whole avartan. So this is important to complete avartan. You can do 1 avartan or 2 avartan for every vistar. Now the last is nadandinna for 4 times and taka takite dhekete for 3 times. And after that, dha. There is a gap of half matra. So first we will do it slowly, and after that we will do it with nagma. So the first vistar, nadindinda, 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 taka takite dhekete. You can do it for once or twice, thrice, quadruple time. Now the second vistar is nadindinna for 4 times. So nadindinna, 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 taka takite dhekete. I prefer to do these type of vistars. First 3 vistars for twice. Every vistar for twice. Now the third vistar is nadandinna for 2 times and taka takite dhekete for thrice. Notice that we are decreasing nadindinna and increasing taka takite dhekete. Nadindinda, taka takite dhekete, taka takite dhekete, taka takite dhekete. Next, taka takite dhekete 8 times. Taka takite dhekete. You can also use taka taki te dhekete. This is your choice. Taka taki te dhekete. I'm using the both. You can use you always use only one style. Whether you can use taka takite dhekete or taka takite dhekete. I'm using here the both for your convenience. So taka takite dhekete, 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 taka takite dhekete. Now the next one is Nadhandhinna. In Nadhandhinna, the footwork is Nadhandhinna for 16 times. You can also do this footwork by taking a spin to this position. Nadhandhinna, or from this side, Nadhandhinna, and complete a single circle, or you can complete two circles as you wish. Now, the last, Tihai. Tihai for 4 times, Nadhandhinna for 4 times, and Taka Takite Dekite Dha. I will do the Tihai. Nadhandhinda, 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 Nadhandhin. Taka Takite Deke, Taka Takite Deke, Taka Takite Deke, Dha. Gap. Nadhandhinda, 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 Nadhandhin. Taka Takite Deke, Taka Takite Deke, Taka Takite Deke, Dha. Gap. Nadhandhinda, 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 Nadhandhin. Taka Takite Deke, Taka Takite Deke, Taka Takite Deke, Dha. Now I will show you a demo of this full lari. Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, na, dhin, dhin, na, de, din, din, dha, nadhandhinna, 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 taka, takite, dekite, nadhandhinna, 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 taka, takite, dekite, nadhandhinna, 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 taka, takite, dekite, taka, takite, dekite, nadhandhinna, 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 taka, takite, dekite, taka, takite, dekite, nadhandhinna, nadhandhinna, taka, takite, dekite, taka, takite, dekite, taka, takite, dekite, nadhandhinna, nadhandhinna, taka, takite, dekite, 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 nadhandhinna, 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 taka, takite, dekite, taka, takite, dekite, taka, takite, dekite, dha. Nadhandhinna, 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 taka, takite, dekite, taka, takite, dekite, taka, takite, dekite, dha. Nadhandhinna, 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 taka, takite, dekite, taka, takite, dekite, taka, takite, dekite, dha. That's all for today. Every Sunday, we release a new tutorial. So next Sunday, we also release a new tutorial. Till then, practice hard, practice happily. I'm Shraddha Chakrabarty, signing off from today's class. Namaskar.